glass there. So this is how they gave me this stuff. So we have these two doors from C.H.I. They gave us a subpar quality door. Thank you. No, seriously, thank you from the bottom of my heart. But party people, you guys deserve better. Yes, you deserve better. And in this video, I'm going to explain why I'm thanking you, but more importantly, I'm going to show you why you deserve better. Let's party. See these frames right here? So these frames were for a door that I recently installed with my good friends ADR out over in Pomona, California. And long story short, this door came with a number of imperfections, like scratches that for some reason, when you think about how this high-end quality door was ordered months ago, and yet when it showed up with the windows being in the wrong position. They had it all backwards. So we waited months for them to get it done straight. Once we get the door, like I said, it has all these scratches on the frames, on the actual door section. I was so frustrated. I don't think I've had a straightforward, easy C.H.I. order delivered to me. And we can only blame so much on the pandemic. But when you pay for a good quality product, a high-end product, in fact, and you expect that product to be at its highest level of quality and you don't get it, I can see where people could get upset. And I know I'm not the only one. There's a lot of dealers out there who are dealing with the same situation. This is not just me. It's happening everywhere. And I just don't know why C.H.I. just doesn't up their game, because quite frankly, we shouldn't have to do this. So recently this channel hit 1,000 subscribers, and that would not have been possible without you awesome party people. I want to thank you so much for all of you who have been with me on this journey since I've started this channel. Quite frankly, I wasn't really sure what it was going to be about. I got a lot of inspiration from people out in the community, in the tech community, in the garage door community, and I just wanted to show back my gratitude to all of you for sticking around, for subscribing to the channel, for watching this content or the content that I'm putting out. But in reality, I just want to give you party people the best content possible to help you with all your residential garage door needs. I know that a lot of people think that the title of a YouTuber is to do all those YouTubery things. Is that even a word, YouTubery? I don't know, it's probably going to be in the dictionary sometime soon. But the point that I'm trying to get at is that I'm no YouTuber. Quite frankly, I've never really considered myself like a traditional YouTuber, a YouTuber that does like those YouTubery things. There is that word again. I am approaching this as a business. I am a business owner. In fact, it's allowed me to create revenue, and not through the traditional AdSense. That is what Google pays you for people to see advertisement on your content. I've been able to establish affiliate marketing, I've been able to get sponsorships, and hopefully someday in the future brand deals. But the point that I'm trying to get at is I approach this as a business, because being able to provide content, well, quite frankly, that's all free to you. You guys don't pay anything to be able to get these types of pro tips for your garage doors, knowing how to tackle a specific project with regards to your garage door system, or even knowing to what type of garage door to go with for your garage door needs. And I get it. You know, I have people telling me, hey, you talk too much, or you didn't show enough of how to fix that, or you didn't explain that well, or you're still talking, or my favorite, hey, why are you wearing a mask? And I get it, you know. Quite frankly, I don't know what to tell those people, because in my mind, I think they need to be on TikTok. But again, this platform has always been and will always be about the long form content. Okay, so we have these two doors from C.H.I. and what we're doing is we're actually replacing out these frames right here, because when C.H.I. turned this door into us, they gave us a subpar quality door. You can see right there that these frames, and pretty much there was a lot of imperfections to these two doors that quite frankly I was very upset about. The quality again that C.H.I. is putting here, I don't know what's wrong with them. I mean, quite frankly, I'm not sure why they are putting out doors of this caliber. They got to do better than this. You deserve better, party people. As long as they're still making custom wood, or I should say custom doors, like this one here that has that wood look, that wood finish. They call it the accent, wood accents. I mean, they just got to do better. And so what we've been having to do is we had to take off each frame with the glass and having to take off the adhesive, which has not been an easy task. By the way, party people, check out Angel from ADR, Pomona, California, my good friend here. He and I have been working on this project for 2 months already, over 2 months. But again, having these quality control issues does not make life easy. It does not help us out in this industry. And to be completely honest with you, before you get your door ordered or you have your dealer installer comes out and brings the door, have them check that door once, twice, thrice, 3 times a lady. Trust me, it's best that they get all their ducks in the row and they know for sure what exactly they're dealing with before you run into problems like this. Okay, so now we finished up these 4 frames, some final touches. Okay, so there we are, we're all done. Pretty much we finished this job and wow, check it out. Wild parakeets, wild parrots actually. Okay, so we're all done. Pretty much this job is finished, hopefully, finally. Of course, C.H.I. did their part. They did the best they could. And hopefully this is maybe a little bit of a warning for you.
And well, that's when my camera died. Oh, the joys and pitfalls of being a YouTuber. So I didn't want to leave this video on a negative note because I believe there's a lot of negativity out there. But the narrative of this video, much as the conversation we should be having within this community, is that we should make these garage door manufacturers accountable of giving us a quality product. And that's why I'm going to ask, if you had a similar experience, that is with C.H.I. or any other garage door manufacturer, please chime them down in the comments. I definitely want to know about them because, again, as dealer installers, we should have the confidence that once we order a special order a project or a special order door and we get it to the customer, that it's going to be in pristine condition. In fact, there should be a seamless transition from the manufacturer to the dealer to the customer home. And I understand that there might be some variables or some specific situations that might not make it easy, but nevertheless, to have from point A, that is from the manufacturer, the product come defective, well, no, that's unacceptable. We need to do better. You deserve better, party people. You deserve better. Now, outside from offering a quality product, you also want to offer a quality service experience. And one way you can do that is by checking out channel sponsor Workies. Workies is an all-in-one business management and communication software for home service businesses. Workies allows you to schedule your technicians with an easy drag and drop feature straight into your calendar. In fact, those same technicians can invoice the customers out in the field. Workies makes inventory management super easy. In fact, you can utilize customizable forms and documents so that you can throw out all those spreadsheets, whiteboards, sticky notes, and leave it for all those other home service businesses that are not willing to get with the times. So if empowering your home service business to get more jobs done in less time, increase revenue, and grow faster sounds like a party to you, well then please check out the links in the description below to get 30% off your first 3 months, and a big thanks to Workies for being a sponsor of the channel. And as always, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in these videos should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Because I'm nobody. It is important for you to understand and know the circumstances and needs of your garage door system so that you can make a better buying decision. That's going to be it for this one, party people. I want to thank you so much for watching this video and partying with me. Now, please check out this other video right here that can provide you more pro tips and tech reviews for your residential garage door needs. And as always, y'all stay safe.